My whole lifestyle is save that money. That's my catchphrase. That's the slogan of my show. I max out my 401k every year. I used to have a Roth IRA when I used to qualify. I used to contribute to that. I've saved, I've invested, index funds, mutual funds, and then I've taken 10% of my portfolio and I've put it into certain crypto, certain businesses, certain riskier strategies. So let's talk about asset allocation in both. So you're not necessarily recommending, dude, go all in on Dogecoin 100%. You're basically saying, look, I have my 401k, I have my fallback plan, I have my retirement accounts, and then I'll take a certain percentage of my portfolio and go for the moon. Did I sum that up?
Yeah, I mean, absolutely. You'll know better than everyone that the risk and reward go hand in hand. So if you want to make a lot of money, you have to be willing to lose a lot of money. So
Yeah.
you take whatever you can afford. Take whatever you need for the long term for your planning, the responsible approach to it, and you have that kind of strategy. And then you have money left over, or if you feel like taking a little bit more risk, then you can throw it towards the Dogecoins or whatever, these lottery tickets that can make a lot of money. And I see this as a double component that's kind of cool. The first one is, let's take a bet and let's hope that we make more money. And let's hope that we make a lot of money and we're prepared to lose whatever we put into the bet, which is 100%. But on the other side, a lot of people, once they've placed that bet, you'll notice that they decide to read up on whatever the heck they just invested in, right?
Rather than doing it the other way around, yeah?
And so what is this Tesla thing about, right? Or what is this? Oh, okay, well, they're announcing the quarterly earnings in a week. Okay, I'm going to have to watch that. What is it, quarterly earnings mean? Oh, okay, they're announcing, discounted cash flows and sales and projections and whatever. And next thing you know, they're looking at the Fed interest rate decision because that affects it, whatever they're doing. And then next thing you know, they're getting themselves educated on this. And if they try to buy stock options, which is a whole other beast, right? They start to learn about that. And they're very complicated. I mean, they can be simple, but they can also be really complicated. So that encourages people and it empowers people to really take control over everything. And perhaps they could take some of that knowledge they've learned and probably, more people lose money than they do make it. We're not going to, those statistics are out there, but they can take some of that knowledge and put it towards a responsible one, which is, okay, well, I've seen the tendencies. It seems like tech is really outpacing the other stuff. Maybe with my 401k, I'm going to change from the S&P and put some more towards the NASDAQ, which, and make adjustments there based off of their experience that they learned. So, I think there's benefits to it outside of just the making or losing money.